So today for maths, we're going to finish up with our weight chapter. We're on page 148 and we're going to do question 10 to 16. Now the main thing to remember here is rucksack because they're problem questions. Read your question, try to understand it and draw pictures if it helps you. Then choose whether you're going to add, subtract, multiply or divide, or maybe you're going to do more than one of those. And then you're going to solve the problem. You might have to do one or more calculations, then give your answer, and then very importantly, check your answer. And in this case of weight, check that you've given it the way they've asked you to give it. Is it in kilograms with a decimal, or is it in kilograms and grams? What way do they want the answer? So that'll come in when you're checking your answer. So at number 10, it says Sam weighs 45.76 kilos. Ellen weighs 34 kilograms and 780 grams. How much heavier is Sam? So if you're having problems understanding it, you could even draw them out with their weights on it. How much heavier is Sam? So that suggests Sam has the bigger number. And actually in this case, you have decimal place kilograms for Sam, and you have kilograms and grams for Ellen. So you need to choose whether you're going to calculate as regards to the decimal place way, or if you're going to keep things in kilograms and grams. If you're keeping it in kilograms and grams, you have 34 kilograms and 780 grams. Leave that the same. This one, take out the decimal place and call it 45 kilograms. It's not 76 grams. That is important because they haven't done out the decimal place to the thousandths. So to be accurate, you need to add in the zero that brings it out to the thousandths. And that'll give you 760 grams. 45 kilograms, 760 grams. So if you're going to calculate it that way, then how much heavier? You need to work out what you need to do to find out how much heavier one is than the other. Then when you've that done, you move along to question 11. Find the total weight of Sam and Ellen. And it wants you to give your answer in kilograms and grams, and then in kilograms, which means with the decimal place. So if you have decided to calculate, transfer or convert the weights to kilograms and grams, so you have this one in kilograms and grams, and in question 10 you did that and you changed that into kilograms and grams. Well, then to find the total, remember what we do for total. Now, when you get your total, you'll get it in kilograms and grams, and then you need to convert it to kilograms by putting your decimal place in the right spot. And take care with that. It will be quite a high number because you've got the high numbers already here. So your kilograms will be in double digits in your answer. At 12, a box of bananas weighs 12.7 kilograms. If the box weighs 570 grams, what weight of bananas is in the box? So what it wants you to do there is the whole altogether weight of the box and the bananas together is 12.7 kilograms. So the box weighs 570 grams. It's quite a heavy box. So you need to remove the box to find out what the weight of the bananas on their own are. So consider what you need to do, but first you need to decide, and it doesn't tell you what it wants to give you to give your answer in, whether it's decimal place kilograms or kilograms and grams. They don't mind. So you choose, but you're going to have to convert one or the other. So if you're going to do it in decimal place kilograms, there's no kilograms in this, so there's no whole number, so it will be 0.570. Also, to calculate it properly, you need to put in the noughts all the way to the thousandths. That'll help you there. At 13, what is the total weight of 8 turkeys, each weighing 9 kilograms, 246 grams? So you don't need to convert anything there. It doesn't want the answer in anything particular. So one turkey weighs 9 kilograms, 246 grams. What does 8 turkeys weigh? Decide what you need to do there. At number 14, a piece of meat weighing 5 kilograms, 34 grams was divided into 3 equal pieces. what was the weight of each piece. So figure out what you need to do there. And just a tip before you do your sum there, you need to put in a 0 in front of that, because it'll make it probably easier to calculate, because there's no hundredths in the grams. So weight was divided out into 3 equal pieces. What was the weight? Number 15, John weighs 34 kilograms, 243 grams. Joan weighs 36 kilograms, 126 grams. Jane weighs 34 kilograms, 319 grams. Find their average weight. Now, luckily here, all of the weights are given in kilograms and grams, so you don't need to do any converting. So to find an average, you might remember that you add the numbers and then you divide by the amount of numbers that you just added. So in this case, you should be adding and then dividing by 3. There's a big hint. Number 16. The total weight of 3 boxes is 13.892 kilograms. 2 of the boxes weigh 3 kilograms, 456 grams, and 4 kilograms, 789 grams. What is the weight of the third box? So firstly, you should probably change them all to the same measurement. 13.892 kilograms is the decimal place kilogram. You could change these to 3.456 kilograms and 4.789 kilograms. You have 2 steps in this sum to do. You know what 2 of the boxes weigh, and you have to get the weight of the third. So step 1 will be adding. That calculates the weight of the 2 boxes. And then there's 1 box that you don't know the weight of, and that's what you need to figure out. So once you've added those together, you know what they weigh. How do you figure out what the last box weighs when the total is this? I hope that helps. Best of luck with them. Send them in to me when you get them done. Thank you.